After switching phones, updating your phone number on social media, it might be a hassle. It is essential to maintain access to all accounts. Like others encrypted messaging services, Telegram allows phone number changes. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change phone number on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on Hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings from the panel. Under the Account section, tap on your phone number. Select Change Number option. Tap on Change. Set your new phone number. Tap on Yes. Enter the verification code. Tap on OK. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to change phone number on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.